Hello, seventh grade. This is Mr. Evans with the final part of our lesson today on the transatlantic slave trade. The final part of the ThinkLink map regarding the information and experience on the Middle Passage ends in the Americas. Many hundreds of thousands to millions of enslaved people were brought across the Atlantic Ocean from different spots in Africa to the Americas. Some landed in Brazil, some landed in the Caribbean, and some landed in the English colonies that eventually became the United States. Our last question that you are looking at is the kinds of mental and physical abuse that enslaved people experienced in the New World. And we've given you two places to look that have the best information in this situation. These best sources to use are here: Life on the Plantations, The Abolition of Slavery Project. If I look at these six dots, I will find it here. It looks like it's kind of this middle center dot here, or lower center dot. And the other one, the BBC Bite Size, Life on a Plantation, is here at the top. So if I can go here, I will find information, and I go here, I will find information. The other links obviously have information that you could read about a person's life as a slave on these places. But these are the two websites that will give you the best information for this particular question. So by the time you get to this point of the lesson, you've obviously read a lot of negative things that have happened and very bad things that happened to a lot of people. Your teachers and I wanted to give you some time to think about those emotions you might be having or what you're contemplating in the reflection slide. This is based on a room in the African American Museum of History and Culture downtown in Washington, D.C. If you have been there, you'll know that after the exhibit, they have a contemplation room, which is this fountain right here. And actually, if you click on this photo, you will be brought to a YouTube video of that contemplation court to kind of see what it looks like. This reflection slide is optional, does not need to be completed. It's up to you how you want to process this. If you want to talk about it more, we could do it at Zoom or email me or talk about it with your family at home. After that, we have an exit ticket. When you click on the exit ticket, it's going to be a 3-2-1 summarizer. And basically, if you have learned something or if you have questions about this particular lesson, please demonstrate what you've learned and what you're still wondering about, and you will get the formative points very easily. So that ends the lesson. I hope you have a good week this week. Take care.